Nancy?
Oui.
At least now you understand how we use the reflexive verbs.
Oui.
Yeah, because we normally say that a reflexive verb, normally it is where the doer does the action to himself or herself, and it's intimated by the use of the reflexive pronoun. You can see that when we have the whole verb, we always have se at the beginning of a verb, like se coucher, like se laver. That se or at times s apostrophe, it is the one that we call a reflexive pronoun. It is the one that keeps on changing from mu to so and so on and so forth. So let's look at the dossier long, where we say that je me lève, that is I get up or I get myself up, because the doer of this question is doing, or action is doing it unto himself. Or je me couche, which means I go to bed or I lay myself down. So verbs like these are called reflexive verbs. You have also used the verb that is je m'appelle, that the verb s'appeler, which means I'm called or I call myself. So you learn more about reflexive verbs in stage 2, but it's good to have that idea that reflexive verbs are not like other simple verbs, because they always have to change so that they may agree with the doer of the action. So let us now look at number 2, whereby we have la journée d'Olivier. Qu'est-ce que c'est la journée d'Olivier? What does that mean en anglais?
Olivia's day.
Good, because here we are talking about la routine, the routine. So, lis le texte à la page 94 et fais les activités A à C. Already we have read that text, therefore we can do these activities from, that is A to C. So, kindly let us do this. Mets les mots dans le bon ordre. That is, you put these words in the correct order. Mets les mots dans le bon ordre. Nancy, répète ça.
Mets les mots dans le bon ordre.
Très bien, dans le bon ordre. Oui, so we have la journée. Qu'est-ce que c'est la journée?
La journée, the day.
And what is les repas?
Les repas is a meal.
Yes, or in this case, there are many meals, so you say meals. Les repas.
Meal. Yeah.
Yeah, so I would like you to get the day, you put these words in order, the first meal of the day, the second until the last one. You start with la journée side. Yes, we are supposed to put them in order. They are mixed.
In order. So we start with le matin.
Good. Le matin.
We'll go with le petit déjeuner.
Très bien. Et puis?
L'après-midi.
Oui.
Le déjeuner.
Le
lunch.
déjeuner, oui. Le déjeuner.
Then we have le soir.
Le soir, oui.
Le goûter.
Le goûter.
Le goûter.
Oui, the moment you see ER at the end, then the sound has to be a sound. Le goûter.
Oui. Le goûter. La nuit.
Oui.
Le dîner.
Okay, merci, merci. Let's look at B. Can they read the instruction for us?
Trouve les mots dans le texte.
Yeah, trouve les mots dans le texte. En anglais?
Find the words in the text.
Good. The text that we had read up there. Yeah, so what are you supposed to look for? For example?
4 numbers.
Good. 4 nombres. Good. Let's look for 4 numbers from that text. 4 nombres. So how many have you found?
6, 10,
Oui.
7,
7,
8,
8.
These are 4.
Okay, très bien. What does the next part say?
3 verbs.
Oui, 3 verbes. Okay, let's go back. We find 3 verbes.
Je me lève.
Oui.
Je regarde.
Je regarde. Oui.
Je mange.
Oui, je mange aussi.
Je mange.
Oui.
Oui.
You can give us another one because there are quite many.
Je me couche.
Oui, je me couche. And finally?
Je quitte à la maison.
Oui. Oui, je quitte. Let's proceed. The next part, what does it say?
2 bâtiments.
Oui, 2 bâtiments. Oui, en anglais?
These are 3 buildings.
Yeah,
Two
that is
buildings.
two buildings.
2 buildings. Yeah.
Oui, okay. Let's find these 2 buildings.
La maison.
Oui, la maison.
La cantine.
Oui. We even have le collège. Oui, là-bas,
Oui.
where the casa is.
Yeah, collège.
Okay. Okay, merci, merci. Et enfin?
Un chose manger.
Il y a une chose à manger. Chose à manger. Qu'est-ce que c'est chose à manger?
Something to eat.
Oui, and because something is feminine, it is une chose à manger.
Une chose à manger.
Oui, une chose à manger.
Une chose à manger.
Good. Look at 7:30. À 7h30.
Oh, sandwich.
Oui, un sandwich.
Oui.
And there is also, je mange du pain.
Yes, bread.
Oui, avec du beurre. That is with butter. That is bread.
Bread, oui.
And remember that the opposite of the verb to eat is to drink.
Yes.
You know the verb to drink? There it is, where the casa is.
Bois.
Je bois. But the root verb is boire. B-O-I-R-E.
Yeah.
Boire. Okay? To drink.
Oui.